I just want to do a video just because I'm currently dealing with a jigsaw that I'm doing. It's childhood memories. And I seem to be having problems with bits like this. But at the same time, this bit and that funny shaped piece there, it confuses me. Because no matter what you do, it just doesn't seem to work. No, it's not it. I don't know. It's one of them things. But let's see what happens, eh? Need to figure out what the pieces are. No idea what the heck to do here. I'm looking at all these pieces and no makes sense. And this is going to be a very boring situation because I don't want to be really doing a video on it. But there's got to be an answer as to, does that fit there maybe? I don't know. There's got to be an answer to why all these bits are just not fitting. And for some reason, I've been told if I do videos on these jigsaws and what I'm doing, people seem to like that. And I don't know why. No idea. People seem to like it. So, whether you like it or not, it's up to you. I'm not forcing anybody to like my doing of different puzzles. Because that's my thing and I just kind of want to share it with someone. Whether you like following it, it's your choice. I'm not forcing anybody to follow my jigsaw life. It's something that I want to do and enjoy. And if people like what they see, that's fair enough. But I don't want to make people follow it. But this is my puzzle. This is the one I'm doing. Good luck to me.